Hey folks, it's Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel here. So I wanted to do a quick video for the Darn Good Yarns July subscription bag. And yeah, sorry I haven't been online or haven't really been able to make videos this weekend. I've been really busy, and I also haven't been feeling too well and lost my voice a bit. So yeah. So real quick, this was the yarn of the month. It's the colorway is called Marrakesh Market. It's I think inspired from Turkey. They have a little blurb about the yarn and the people making it. Sorry, I haven't had a chance to do my nails either. It says, meet me at the market, introducing the Marrakesh Market, our July yarn of the month, inspired by the bustling streets in Morocco. This 2-ply sport weight recycled silk yarn features a natural base complemented by an herbal dyed ombre of rich browns and warm terracotta. Embrace the heat of summer as you're transported to the energetic markets of Morocco. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's nice and soft. And it's categorized as a fine weight 2-ply sport yarn. And they mention hand wash only, lay flat to dry. It's 50 grams or 200 yards, 1.8 ounces, 182 meters or 200 yards. And they recommend US size 4 knitting needles, which is 3 to 5 millimeters, or a 4 millimeter, which is a US G6 crochet hook. It's about that thick, so it's kind of almost closer to a 3. I think it's very pretty. I like it. I like it a little more than the Mexico one. The Mexico one was pretty, I thought. And they say the same blurb within the booklet. And the free gift this month was tape measure. And then within the booklet, it has a pattern. The pattern for this month is the Diamond Lattice Mat Set. Yeah, it's just coaster and mat set. They don't really have a good big picture of it. They have the pattern for knitting or for crochet. See, it's like really hard to show. That's kind of what it looks like. The picture that they provide. So yeah, and the subscription comes with 3 little cakes of these. I paid extra to get a 4th one, and yeah, that's about it. I don't have what the price is on here, and you get the usual coupon for the month and everything, with a code for a discount for a pattern within the book. And sorry, I can't remember how much it is. It's like either 20 or 30 something bucks a month. Anyways, yeah, and they don't have it there on the invoice. I think it's 30 something, and then like there's the shipping fees too. So figured I should show this since it's kind of this was done with this is a pattern from Hirschner's Worsted Gradients yarn. This is their colorway Pumpkin Patch. I'm not going to go through all the descriptions. You can sort of read them on there. My voice is pretty hoarse. It's like 489 yards, 100% acrylic yarn. This is the monochromatic shawl, and they sell it as a kit on the Hirschner's website. And that's the progress I have so far for it. I think it's really pretty so far. Coming out really pretty. So yeah, and that's all I'm gonna show now because yeah, I want to go get some rest. So anyways, have a great night. Thanks for stopping by, and when I get a chance, depending how busy I am next week with work, I'll see if I can do a few more videos because I need to show my current projects, like the progress. I finished the blanket that I showed last time, which is this blanket. And I have a yarn unboxing mystery box to show. And I have some coming in from Lion Brand. And I have a yarn box that I ordered from Crystal from Bagger Day Crochet that's coming in. And I also have a Hirschner's order that came in that I need to film a yarn unboxing, plus some other videos, and also the video 6 for my informal swatch along. So, okay, folks, have a good night. Bye. Or good day. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.